Let go.
Yes guys, I am wearing a shirt. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new. In today's video, I am reviewing one of Outre's new units. It's from their Color Bomb collection. This one is a series of the Blonde collection. So, the unit that I am reviewing today is the KOURTNEY unit. It is in the color Sandstone Blonde, which I think is this one right here, but I'm really not sure. But these blonde colors look so freaking beautiful on these models. So they really sold me with their promotional ad for this collection. They really look really good on the model. So I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. I'm just going to go ahead and pop it open and then we're just going to talk about it. Before I jump into it though, you guys already know, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. If you are subscribed, thank you. Also click the bell button below so you'll be notified each time I upload, and leave this video a thumbs up and comment as well. Alright guys, so here is this wig coming out of the packaging. Super beautiful color. I don't even know how to describe this because I mean it's sandy blonde, but it has like a more of a undertone with like a bit of gray. I like the different sleeks of tones in it. It just has a really nice pattern. I really love that it doesn't look choppy. It literally all flows together so well. So let's go ahead and pop her on. I'm going to show you guys this inside making of the unit. So from what I can tell, it looks like the parting space. It sits on your right side. It doesn't look like it can be altered to sit in any other way. It has combs in the inside of the unit that are on the sides, and then you got a comb in the back as well as some adjustable straps. I will be leaving the adjustable straps alone today because I want to see how it wears without them being tightened, and after I get it on, if I feel like it needs to be tightened up some, then I will do so. Alright guys, so this is the completed look of me putting on this unit and installing it and just basically placing it how I would like it to wear, and I think it looks pretty good. You guys let me know what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and first start out with what I dislike about the unit. Number one, I dislike how much that it is shedding. It is shedding quite a bit. You guys saw I just combed through it and it was quite a bit of fallout, more than I expected, and I think it's because of how the wig is made. So it was just causing a lot of fallout, and I prefer that when I comb my wigs out, you know, to not have so much hair to clean up after myself with that. But that's the first con. The second con is kind of like only my personal feeling about it, is when I put it on, and this is gonna sound crazy, it was like, it's like too perfect, if that makes sense. Like when I put it on, I was like, dang, this just makes me look like so put together. You know how you get those wigs that are just like so perfectly made and styled and like stiff, but not on a bad level of stiff, but like that type of wig? Like, that's kind of what I was feeling. I was just like, wow, this looks way too perfect. I'm like, I gotta maneuver some pieces and play with a little bit to put it how I like it. So, you know, like I put it behind my ear over here, left a little piece out, laid a little edge in the front, kind of laid a little edge right here on the other side of the parting space, and just kind of tried to pull this back. I kind of considered like cutting a layer in it at one point, but I didn't want to mess it up, so I left that alone. But once I played with it, you know, and put it how I would like for it to sit, I was like, okay, there we go. Now I'm really feeling her. But those are the only two things that I disliked. My second one wasn't really like a con. That was just like me personally. But I think that this color is so mother freaking perfect, yo. Like, they did their absolute thing when they popped out these colors. Do you hear me? They popped out on these colors like, hello? Like, they really did their thing. This is one of my absolute favorites. I don't remember what color it is. I'm looking around trying to remember what it is. Sandstone Blonde. Yo, this is, I feel like this needs to be my summer color. Can someone, you know, make me a wig that will last like this, like for all eternity of summer? This is a really gorgeous color. So look, stock card information. Like I said, I got the style Courtney, and this is in 3D RFF Sandstone Blonde. It's what the stock card looks like. I think this is the color right here on the model. It also comes in 6 other colors, with a cream blonde, amber blonde, butter blonde, ivory blonde, and then wheat blonde. That's 5, excuse me. Plus this color is 6. And I also think they sell these units in like 1 and 1B if you don't want to try the color. They do have it in the blonde, in the black options as well. I would suggest, considering that, you know, that was the purpose of these units, the Color Bomb blonde collection, you should try a blonde, because I feel like they have a blonde color for everyone. Like, each skin tone, they have a color that you could rock. So that's all I see on the stock card information. It is safe to use with your flat iron up to 400 degrees. It comes with natural baby hairs and a pre-plucked soft Swiss lace. So I did go ahead, like I said earlier, and play with the edges a little bit just to put it to my liking. The baby hairs on synthetic wigs definitely do make a difference with some of them, and I feel like this one personally, I needed the baby hairs in order for me to feel, I don't want to say comfortable, but like in order for me to be like, yes, I will wear this. Okay, I do want to throw out there that I think this unit is about 20 to 24 inches long. So if you are shorter, it's probably going to look a little even longer on you. If you're my height, it'll look long, but not as long as it would on shorter people. And also, like I said earlier, it is only a right side part unit. When I was growing up, I used to always wear my parts over here. But the more I wear wigs now, I'm really comfortable with it being on either side. I don't necessarily need one side specifically, or I don't really have a preference when it comes to my side part anymore. I think that's gotten like that the older that I've gotten. But I would say my go-to is always a middle part for sure. I feel like it just frames my face well. My face is a little bit more on the chubbier side, and with it being like a middle part, it kind of just slims, you know, my face down. I think I'm rambling now, but that's all I have for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment as well, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thanks guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.